Warning, this video was made for entertainment purposes and has fourth wall breaking, and the one YouTuber in this video I do not have a grudge against. And I made this all by myself, no script in it at all. So enjoy. My fingers got lazy from timing this out, and I would have wrote more, but I didn't feel like it. So enjoy. Man, I love dreaming. I wonder what I should do now. Gubby, what do you want now? I just got done waking up. What, are you hungry? Go bother Elliot about that. He has pizza for you, I think. Did you find something or what? Oh boy, I wonder what he got now. Gubby, where did you get that from? Gubby, you know I can't hear you. You're mute. But it seems like you got that from Walmart. What is this a toy portal gun or what? Why are you on the bed? Should I be questioning you? Let's see, how do I use this? I'ma just guess this is a toy. Hopefully. This is a toy, right? Okay, let me use this. Let me use this. What did you do, Gubby? Gubby, what? You gotta be kidding me. Oh, looks like I'm going after him. All right, Bird. Just got done recording this animation. So, Bird, what do you think of the video? Caw. Yeah, whatever. Oh, what's that portal over there? Oof. Oh, God, you're stretching again. Hold on, let me just, oh, God, I made it worse. Oh, God. Gubby. Gubby. Oh, God, Gubby, why? All right. You should be fine now. Oh, God, why did we have to teleport here? You. Yeah, me. You're lucky I survived the Squid Games. I should have known that you would be the fake front man. Now, if you excuse me, we'll be leaving. I don't think so. You're not leaving. Because, I don't know where you came from, but you're not leaving. We just came from this portal. What do you mean that we're not leaving? And where did we came from? I didn't want to have to do this, but I'm breaking the fourth wall. Hey, Zyon, I know you're making this video right now. Break the fourth wall real quick. Ugh, I hate breaking the fourth wall. You already know what to play, Zyon. All right. Yeah, you should be fair. You should be very afraid right now. Gubby. Oh, God, Gubby just got bigger. All right, I'm leaving. Oh, yeah, one more thing. Gubby will bite your ankle. You should run. Frick. All right, Bird, we're running. Cobb. All right, glad to be back home, and at least my bed's still here. Time to go to bed. I should probably close the portal, but Gubby's gonna be stuck in that dimension for a while. Oh, God, he's got in log again. All right, you're back, Gubby? Should I question it or, hold up. What's in your mouth? Is that her bird? Why do you have her bird? You already bit her ankles. There's no need for the bird. Go put it back, man. God, gubbies these days. I'm going back to bed. You're not going anywhere. Drop my bird. Now make it quick. No, I'm not dropping the bird. Let me leave and I'll drop the bird. No. Well, I won't drop the bird. You think I'm joking? I'll show you right now. I will show you right now, Gubby. Gubby, what's taking you so... Why do you have a gun? None of you are leaving with your lives. It's my bird. Hey, Gubby, just drop the bird and go back into the portal. Okay. Can I eat the bird? I just said drop the bird. What makes you think you can eat the bird? Okay. All right, bird, you might want to run too. The things are about to get messy. Bird out. Hey, Jaden. Remember when you forced me to play Squid Games like a day ago? Yeah, so. Yeah, you took the star from me, remember? Yeah. Yeah, you don't know what this thing does. So, I have one more thing to say. You won. Psych! I have poor M&A skills, so I just put that explosion right there. All right, I'm going.